Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you'd replace the ABS wheel speed sensor on this vehicle. This happens to be the right side of the vehicle, passenger side, and so got the car jacked up, supported with jack stands and blocks. Also the front tire has been removed for ease of access. And the ABS wheel speed sensor is this unit here. Comes down and it has a little connector that goes into the wheel hub here to give you your speed setting. It all comes with one unit. All the brackets that are attached to it all come with the new one. And so we'll be removing a size 12 bolt here, a 10 that goes into the ABS wheel speed sensor. There's a 10 here that holds the bracket there. Comes up here, we remove this number 10 up top here, which is what holds, it's a dual purpose bracket, and you'll also you can go up top and squeeze the tabs from the engine bay to push it down, and then you'll just need to be able, then you can pull this down and gain access to the clamp to undo it to remove the whole ABS wheel speed sensor. So we'll start by undoing it down here and working our way up, and then I'll show you up there. So right here is where the sensor goes into the hub itself, and so that's a size 10 bolt. So we loosen and remove that bolt, and then you can just twist the sensor and pull it out. Sometimes they're stuck in there a little bit harder. And then we've got just this plastic clip to pop off. And right here we've got a size, that is a 12, because it holds the sensor and size 12 holds the sensor and the brake line in place. So we remove that way we'll be able to pull the sensor undone. Then we've got another 10 right there. So we have a 10 right here. Okay, now we've removed that bolt, so we're gonna pull this cover down, and you'll see this little connector we pull out. This is a dual connector that connects this up, but also provides the hole for the wheel well to screw into it. And then right here is where the connection is. So we'll need to press and unhook the connector. Now we've got to get the other portion of it out. So we got the sensor all undone and popped out of there. We'll go get our new one to be put in. Okay, so we've got our new sensor here. We're going to work our way backwards from the way we put it in or pulled it out. So we're going to get up in here. Pull this down a little bit. We're going to connect that electrical connector back up. Snap that into place, and then line that up into the hole there, snap it in. Then we've got the little square one up here. Perfect. Now we can put this back. Everything is done there. And then you've got a little metal, this piece here you'll want to put in there first, and then set that up there. Your number 10 bolt that's going to go in right there. And then we take this, and this runs behind, because this way it was. We've got this little metal tab to lock in there. Alright, so right here we have there's a little metal tab that we're going to line up in there. Now we've got the size 12 bolt to put in there. This goes behind this bracket for the brake line itself. The sensor end that we're going to pop into the hole there. And then we've got the size 10 bolt to put in there to tighten it up. Once we've got that lined up, just go ahead, and this plastic clip that we undid, or that you undo up here, just snap that into place. That way everything is in the right direction. And then just make sure you tighten that up. Not crazy tight. So that's how you replace your ABS wheel speed sensor on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.